Good afternoon, I'm Jack Weir of Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to take a look at the 2019 Winnebago Navion 24G. Beautiful coach inside and out, full body paint. Walking around the outside here, you can see that there's considerable amount of storage in the basement. It does come equipped with the Onan 3.6 kilowatt LP generator. Got flush mount windows, rear slide, and we'll take a look at the walk around queen bed when we get inside. Beautiful driving vehicle. It's a Mercedes Sprinter chassis with a diesel engine, so your fuel economy is really best you could possibly get. Let's take a look on the inside. Has an overhead bunk. It's got a beautiful cockpit, great information center with navigation on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis. You've got over here on this side, you've got your dinette. Over here, double sinks, 2-burner cooktop, convection microwave, nice 28-inch RCA TV. Moving to the back, got a nice refrigerator freezer. And then it's got the airline style bathroom with a sink. This is great space utilization. They don't have to take up as much space. It gives you more living space. And they take it from the restroom that's going to spend the least amount of time in. Coming back here, as I said, you got the full queen size walk around bed on the slide out. Much more room as opposed to the corner bed. Moving on back forward again, your control panel right here with your room slide and a nice wardrobe right here. Again, this is the 2019 Winnebago Navion on a Sprinter chassis. Model is a 24G. Any further questions on it, please give me a call at 541-654-1820. Or you can send me a direct email at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Thank you very much.